Hello spinners, Alex Sukhov is here, and today I didn't intend to make a video, but I noticed that we hit 1000 subscribers on Penstock, and that means a lot for me, thanks to all of you guys. So, some time ago, in a reply to a comment under one of my previous videos, I promised to make a giveaway right after this channel would hit 1000 subscribers, and today the time for drawing a pen mod has come. I'm going to give away this perfectly made Ivan mod, which I assembled in the video tutorial. You can watch it if you haven't, card will appear here. And to win it, you need to make sure that you have Twitter, Instagram or Facebook account with more than 30 friends or followers. And of course you should be subscribed to Penstock. After that, share a promo video. The link will be in the description under this video. And under this video leave a comment with the link to your post. You have all 3 accounts with more than 30 friends on each of them. You can leave 3 comments under this video and raise your chance to win. Just like that. This way you wouldn't only take part in drawing, but also you will make your contribution to pen spinning growth. And you know what? PS needs people to know about its existence. Good pen spinners also need to be known, and for those of you who spin good, have good quality camera, maybe you already have a YouTube channel and want to show people your skill, I have a suggestion. You can take part in one of my coming videos. If you are interested, go by the link in the description under this video and find out how we can do that. Also guys, there is one more thing that you can help me with. Those of you who can speak English and one or more other languages can help me to translate videos from Penstock to your native language or to the language which you know well. Under this video, in the description section, you will find the link to penstock.at with the whole information about how you can do that. I'm not sure that anybody would have so much passion to do that, but man, I need your help. And for each 5 videos which you help to translate, you will get a coupon for $20 on penstock.at. Just make sure not to use automatic translators or crap like that. That's gonna be noticed. Alright, now a few words about my future plans. One of them I'm going to leave top secret, and another one I want to start to make 2 videos a week. One for beginners, one for intermediate pen spinners. And also from time to time I want to talk to all of you through live streaming. So make sure to be subscribed to Penstock and push the bell to not to miss anything. Till the next time, may this style be with you! Bye!